Howdy guys, in today's video with VinylCut we'll be looking at arranging layers and their position to the foreground and background. Just a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a number of different softwares to cover and we upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise we head back in the program here. Now, the arrangement of layers can be quite important if you're working on a big file, or later on when we get to the paths options. We'll be in another tutorial where you've got front minus back and so forth. Then the order becomes quite important. So if we just move this around, we can see that the circle is right on top, the square in the middle, and the triangle at the back. Now to arrange this, a few ways we can do it. Let's say we want to send the circle all the way to the back. Then what we can do is we go on top to object. Let me zoom in here for you guys. Then we go to arrange, and then here we have a few options. So the top one, as you can see, we've got shortcut keys for all of them. So if you want to learn it to speed up your process. But otherwise we have bring to front. This will send whichever object selected all the way to the front of all the other layers, or on top of all the other layers. We have bring forward. This will only bring it up one layer at a time. So if we had the triangle selected and we said bring forward, we'll put it on top of the square but not on top of the circle. Send back does the same. We'll only send it back one layer at a time, and then we send two back. This will send it all the way to the back or all the way to the bottom. So in this case, we'll be selecting this one. Now, as we can see, that circle's all the way in the bottom. Now, another way we can do this, let's say now this time we'll send the square all the way to the back. Then we can right click. Let me zoom in again. And then you find arrange from the drop down menu. And here you can see we've got all the same options. So we click send to back. Now that square is all the way at the back. Now, another way, most probably the most simple way to do that. Let me just remove this invisible layer. Is what I did right there. It is to drag and drop on your layers panel the order. So how the order works is like any stacking. So whatever is on top of your layers panel will be highest, and whatever is the bottom will be lowest. So let's say now we want to move, let's say, the triangle between the circle and the square. You zoom in here, then you click on the triangle, keep your mouse in the left mouse button, and you move it down. You will see it makes this little line with a black dot. So if we now between those two, we leave it. Now we can see that layer is between all of them. Same way, let's say we put the red right on top, the blue at the bottom, and now we have our RGB arrangement here. So red is on top, green middle, blue bottom. So yeah, that's the basics of arranging layers on VinylCut 5. We head to the website here. You guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za. You can find videos like this. We also have quite a variety of different softwares we do cover. And we also have a search option if you want to isolate your search. If you don't find what you're looking for, we have this option here called request a training video, and then we will make that video for you guys. Otherwise, thanks for watching and cheers.